Marketing on the internet involves online advertising to reach out to potential customers. It requires creativity like designing, development, and technical aspects like marketing and advertising. The internet is widely used for all kinds of purposes. The advantages of the internet are: it helps in doing business and shopping from the safety and comfort of home, which is extremely important to both customers and businesses during these pandemic times. According to research, 2.14 billion people shop online. And it has helped to grow e-commerce and internet marketing. Two business models that benefited greatly from internet marketing are business to business, also known as B2B, companies that do business with each other, and business to consumer, also known as B2C, which are companies that sell directly to customers. Websites built for internet marketing are slightly different than others. Number 1. Peer-to-peer modeled websites are used to exchange products and services between each other. Number 2. Priceline.com is an example of a name your price website, where the customers have to specify the price range they can spend and select products or services that fall in that price range. Number 3. Amazon.com is a website based on the find the best price model, where customers can find the lowest prices. Number 4. Online auction sites, like eBay.com, is where items are bid. Companies who use internet marketing are at an advantage. With the help of only a few resources, national and international markets can be reached. Because of very low investment, even small businesses are turning to online marketing. There are factors that hinder the growth of online marketing. Number 1. Delayed loading of the page. Web pages that take a long time to download test the patience of the consumer. Number 2. Sites that are not secure, SSL. One of the most important measures for a website owner is to incorporate good security on their websites. Internet marketing can yield massive returns for businesses that are able to pivot from brick and mortar to the digital space. Just know that Digital Glo Consulting is here to help lighten the transition process as you continue to serve your customers with the best possible buyer experience they've come to know and love. Contact us today, www.digitalgloconsulting.com.